A father stood at his son's grave with his heart broken, with tears running down his face. He took out a letter and started to read it for his son. I saw you for the first time, I held you for the first time, I watched you move for the first time, I watched your heart beat for the first time. And I knew that you were mine. I'll let GMB. I felt you moved in my hand when my finger touched your little hand, and then your feet, my little GMB. For a few hours in this world, no words, no sound, just the vibration of you, little heartbeat. I was your father, no, I am your father, my little GMB. Endless love, my little GMB. Endless love, endless love, my little GMB. Your mom and I had so much planned for you. We made bets on you, but God had a better plan for you. You came early, or I should say too soon. The world was not ready for you, my little GMB. A father should be the head of the house, the protector of his family, his kids. But at this time, my son, I was unable to protect you. What could I have done in that moment? What could say? All I could do was pray. I committed you to God and asked Him to protect you and keep you safe, because I knew you were on your way out of this world, and there was nothing I could do or say. I love you with everything in me, my son. Words cannot express the way you feel right now. Tonight I'm missing you so much, wishing that I could feel your hand pressing against my fingers before I go to sleep. I'm trying to be strong for your mother, because I know what she is going and been through. But believe me, son, this is the hardest thing your father had been through. If this is a test, I'm failing real bad. I'm trying to be happy, but right now I'm very sad. I don't wanna say goodbye to my son, even though I know you're in the hands of God. Sleep well, my son, love, always from mom and dad. Endless love, my little GMB. Endless love, endless